How often is it happening?
Daily.
Daily.
Or almost daily.
The visits to the Weld County Jail happen so often.
Ever seen anything like this?
No.
Deportation officers now have their own convenient place to park.
When did this really start to get going?
January of last year.
Simple, efficient, and according to the county's Republican District Attorney Michael Rourke,
It's not right.
not right at all.
I don't know where they go. We find out the morning of court that a defendant has been picked up by ICE, and I presume they're at the holding facility in Aurora, but I don't know that for sure.
Get down or you're going to get tased.
Consider the case against Arturo Lopez Marquez. Twice on this night, Greeley police say he tried to light a field on fire.
Smells like lighter fluid.
A likely case of felony arson, they believe. That
Get the
and obstruction.
search him.
Today, months later, Marquez faces neither. Go ahead, search Colorado court records. You won't find it. Why?
Still banging around and yelling back there.
Because hours after his arrest, a deportation officer sent this email asking for a pickup. ICE removed him before prosecutors ever got him in front of a judge.
It's like it didn't happen. There is no accountability. There is no sense of justice. There's no day in court.
And that case,
It never happened before.
that was simple when compared to this one.
Eastbound through 23rd Avenue.
Last year, Greeley police appeared to have a solid case against a driver
White Mustang traveling high rates of speed.
they said was driving 125 in a 35-mile-an-hour zone. The crash that followed was so violent,
Okay, I'm not sure where the second vehicle is.
finding it
He hit this thing pretty hard.
proved challenging.
Dispatch 536, have a female in the front seat. She is unconscious.
When an officer asked who was responsible,
Who was driving?
I was driving, bro.
You were driving?
19-year-old Eduardo Parra Corral didn't hold back.
So you were drinking tonight?
I was drinking.
Yeah. How many drinks did you have?
Dear Jasmine, happy birthday to you. Yay! Cha-cha-cha!
Watch your hair, baby.
Jasmine Carpio died days after the crash from severe internal injuries. She died in the very hospital she worked in, the very hospital she was driving to that night for work.
Her fiance called me early in the morning.
What did he say?
He said that there had been an accident and I need to get to the hospital. He didn't want to tell me much after.
Crystal Carpio's second shock came when prosecutors told her their defendant was gone, picked up by ICE inside the Weld County Jail.
The day of court, we find out he's not going to be there because he's already been deported. And we didn't even know until the day of.
Where he is now is unknown, at least to Jasmine's mom.
Taking me to jail.
Oh, yeah, for sure. 100%.
You ever wonder where he is?
I do,
Hands behind your back, okay?
but I'm not allowed to know. I've lost faith in the country I grew up in and have the utmost respect for.
Here's how it works in general. ICE parks here, deportation officer waits here, inmates walk to him. Weld County blurred one of the two in this video because by the time the county gave us it, his case had also been dismissed. 9 News Investigates found in the first 138 days of the year, ICE picked up at least 143 inmates.
Any agency can come in and ask to speak to one of our inmates or take them at any time.
Weld County Sheriff's Captain Matt Turner says those who leave with ICE are usually inmates the county never expects to hold for long.
Many of these guys get out on such low bonds and may not even come back into the system. They can get out and they may never even see a court date.
But clearly, some will.
Why do you think that it's your fault?
Because I was driving.
And sometimes, before prosecutors ever get them in court, they're gone.
I want to make sure that anybody who is committing a crime in this county, whether they're American citizens or in this country unlawfully, are held accountable.
Rourke says no matter where someone is from, if the crime happens here, accountability should as well.
Get it, son.
I don't care his status. I don't care if he's from here, Africa, Canada. I don't care. I just want him to stand for what he did.
Crystal Carpio simply believes justice never got its day in court.
You always pray that your kids are better than you. And that's what I got. She was better than I was.
Chris Vanderveen, 9 News.